Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy crochet handbag designs, clutch designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts as you can see. New designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet handbag designs, clutch designs, new designing ideas you can see in this my video. Watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can carry when you go in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Save your objects in beautiful and trendy crochet, clutch designs and handbag designs. Stylish color combination contrasts, stylish designing ideas you can see. Flower patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet handbag designs, washable handbag designs. You can easily make these very beautiful handbags if you know crochet work. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman crochet handbag design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful handbags online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Beautiful and trendy crochet handbags and clutch designs. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.